Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today we will review about upcoming Fisker Ocean electric car. The Fisker Ocean electric SUV is expected to launch in India by mid-2023. It will be the EV maker's debut offering for our country and has already garnered over 60,000 orders. Price: Fisker Ocean's prices are expected to start at 80 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Variants: globally, the electric EUV is offered in 3 trims, Sport, Ultra and Extreme. It also has a limited edition called Ocean 1 based on the top-spec Extreme trim. Seating capacity: it has a seating capacity of 5 passengers. Battery, electric motor and range: the Fisker Ocean comes with 2 battery pack options with ranges of 440 km and 630 km. While the smaller battery pack in the base trim is paired with a single motor and gets front-wheel drive, the larger battery pack in the higher trims gets a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup. The top-spec Extreme trim also receives a solar panel roof, which, when fully exposed to sunlight, can add over 2,000 km of range in a year. Features: the electric SUV is equipped with a 17.1-inch rotatable touchscreen infotainment system, 500W 16-speaker sound system, 22-inch alloy wheels and a solar panel roof, top spec only. Safety: its list of safety features includes a 360-degree camera along with ADAS features such as lane change assist, automatic emergency braking, multi-collision braking and driver drowsiness detection. Rivals: considering its price, the Fisker Ocean will rival the likes of the Audi e-tron and Mercedes-Benz EQC. Subscribe my channel.